Hello and welcome to another Taste Adventures with Steve. And today we're at a new restaurant in Weston Town Center, Krispy Chicken. Let's take a look. As you enter to an open concept restaurant where design and flavor intertwine, the color palette of grays and blues creates a stylish and calming ambience. The light crispy french fries, pillowy soft inside, accompany the full, perfectly cooked moist chicken breast sandwich on top of a brioche roll, accompanied with garlic parmesan sauce, or as I had it, triple threat sauce, sweet and spicy. Lightly fried chicken wings are crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside, delivering a mouth-watering experience. Enjoy them with fresh carrot and celery sticks. Don't forget cubed radishes with a delightful sweet and vinegary kick. Try the cheesy magic dust. It's a flavor you don't want to miss, especially if you're a fan of Cheetos. I hope you liked our visit to Krispy Chicken in Weston Town Center. I look forward to having you join us for our next Taste Adventure with Steve. Stay hungry, stay healthy.